Hello everyone, Ray J here. I'm coming to you live from the streets of Bergamo. Okay, I'm not coming to you live, I'm live, but it's not a live broadcast, it's pre-recorded. Anyhow, I'm here in Bergamo, Italy still. Should be back stateside soon, and I have something exciting to announce. We're going to have a premiere of the Bri Bagwell documentary, Getting to Know Bri Bagwell. We had to postpone it a few times because of my travel schedule, but we're going to finally do it. It'll be this year, and we are going to do it online through YouTube. It'll be a premiere through YouTube, so anyone can watch it from anywhere, and we'll watch it at the same time. I'm going to be in a venue in East Houston area, and we're going to watch it on the big screen there together, whoever can come out. And unfortunately, Bri won't be able to join us there at that venue, but I'm hoping to work it out to have a video chat with her online so everyone can see it who's there with me at the venue prior to the showing of the movie. So people get a little moment to hear her live and, you know, have her listen to our lively banter. Anyhow, it'll be a lot of fun. Hope you can join us. As soon as we get the dates nailed down, I will put it on here, and as soon as we get the venue nailed down, I'll put that on here too. So keep checking back for updates, and hope to see you soon. Bye.